Mike Hughes here. I'm at AKONA and I'm looking at the different dive products, and I found this finicky person to help out with what's new here for dive products. And what do we have here?
Well, while I'm in the water, I use this new phone case. It floats, it's waterproof. So we got that. So lots of new dry bags with the AKONA that we're super excited about.
Okay, and the dry bags, we go from this 60-liter.
Yep, nice heavy duty duffel backpack style in that nice heather gray and the green. And then we've got our lightweight. One's great for the beach, traveling, anything you got wet.
They don't hold much beer, but that's why they're lightweights. Okay, I stopped you there. But anyway, so we have the, and plus, now this is something when you come to a DEMA show, they have all these bags here. But as you can see, all the different styles from the last couple of years. But also, for every $1 million worth of purchases, you get a free ride in this beautiful Rubicon Jeep. Probably all the way to the exit door. I'm not know. Is
that the best DEMA special you've seen or what?
It is.
We got some other ones, but we can talk about them later.
Well, you can put the bite into me for those later on.
Some smells fishy though.
Thank you very much. Oh, and if they want more information, they can go to
AKONA.com, and we got it in the bag.
Thank you.
Thank you.